Hello and welcome to the Plutus IS. I am Rajesh Kumar talking on the topics of public administration related to the leadership theories. Leadership theories are giving idea about in particular situation what the type of leadership would be required. Although we have discussed about the different type of leadership and see it was divided into trait theory, then behavioral theory, then contingency theory. In terms of contingency theory, we are now discussing about the different contribution made by the theorist to have the development of contingency theory. First of all, what the contingency theory is saying that it is the situation which is contingent for the leaders to be successful to that organization. Like we are talking about here, in contingency theories, we have the contribution made by Hershey Blanchard as situational theory. This is also known as life cycle theory. Hershey Blanchard was saying about situational theory, which is different from the original contingency theory made by Fred Fiedler. Fred Fiedler and situational theory is differentiating in the term that it is the leader which is required to be changed as per the situation. As per the situation. While situational theory is saying about it is the situation which requires change in the style of leadership, not to change the leaders. So the basic difference between contingency theory and situational theory is there in that form. Now situational theory what exactly tells about in which situation which type of leadership style is required to be introduced. Situational theory by Hershey Blanchard. He says about that the leadership or leaders followers relations should be like of child and their father. So should be like child and father, and he was saying that such a relationship would be just like a part of life of human being, as a part of life of human being, as he has given also his theory the name as life cycle theory. He was saying that of M1, M2, M3 and M4 type of situation. In M1 situation is there, and style of leadership what is required. He was saying about in M1 situation the child is what you say infant or follower are like infant. Hence, in such situation, leaders need to fix the goal, and all the cares are needed as to take care of child. Hence, in such kind of situation of organization, telling type of leader or directing type of leaders are required. Then second situation he was talking about when follower is supposed to be some movement towards the maturity. That is to say, followers are younger than are supposed to be a child older than infant. In such situation, followers would be needed to have such kind of leader who can coach them like that. In coaching institution, what the coach is required to make the care of his student, that is there required in organization for a leader to be executing their policies. So in that case what is required is selling kind of leaders or coaching giving leaders, that is set the goal and let the followers do. Then M3 is there where followers are older than the earlier stage, then what happens? Leaders are required to be participative. That is, taking the idea of followers also while executing the policy. Still some kind of control is there over the followers. Then lastly, there is M4 type of situation, when followers are supposed to be mature. In this situation, leaders should give the opportunity to let them do on their own. So there is some kind of delegation of authority to the follower. So the leader would be delegating in nature. Delegating in nature. So different kind of leadership is there, developed. Delegating, then you have participating earlier, participating, and then before even that, selling kind of leaders, and then in first type of situation, that was they are required to have what you say directive type of leadership. Directing. So four different situations are there, and accordingly leadership is required to be changed. Leaders are not changing here. See, behavior of that leader is required to be changed. So you need to keep care with the situation, and accordingly what the style of leadership is required to be developed. That is all about Hershey Blanchard's formula, or what you say theory of situational leadership. Thank you.